Okay, I'm reloaded.
This is the last show for 2015, ladies and gentlemen. This is Gary Funa Music on Talk with DJ La Buga on a Wednesday, 30th of December 2015. Tonight we have a very special show with a big lineup. A big lineup, did you hear me? Sweet Pain Band is in the house. Straight from Los Angeles. They just came from Belize today, so we have Sweet Pain Band for you, ladies and gentlemen, tonight. So don't miss the show. Pass the word. We also have Consigo tonight. We also have Biggs, the CEO, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the last show of 2015. Gary Funa Music on Talk with DJ La Buga is on. Welcome to Gary Funa Music and Talk with DJ La Buga. We are live from the studios in Long Beach through RadioCentroamerica.com and LMBRoots.com radio in New York. Every Wednesday from 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time and 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We bring to you the best of recording artists, musicians, producers, and musical directors behind Gary Funa Music. So welcome to Gary Funa Music and Talk with DJ La Buga and enjoy my show tonight. Beautiful, beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to listen to the best of 2015. This is Asiatic. Album that I love so much. This is Mama Booba.
There's not a problem that I can't fix.
The album is called Dekeba. Asiatic.
gurute. Suri pati dagi amuna to mababubato. Bubato na bunundare. Tabu seru na birbulu. Suri pati dagi amuna to mababubato. Bubato na bunundare. Tabu seru na birbulu.
Esa mi gente de Nueva York, Mama Wama, Los Angeles, ¿qué motia? This is the last show 2015, ladies and gentlemen. Garifuna Music Truck with DJ La Buga is live.
Ahe hamugo, agapo bumuto, wawachuro. Ahe hamugo, agapo bumuti na namulaluwa. Mabelo tito, hamugo, dito laguburi gasa, gasa lira de gurute. Suri pati dagi amuna to mababubato, bubato na bunundira. Tabu seru na birbulu. Get parties though, 'cause you know business. No worry about haters. Tell the haters watch this. 'Cause you too sexy for that shirt. Sexy till he hurt. Sexy for the shoes. Sexy for this party. Everybody dance now. Everybody moving. Yep. Everybody shake now. Everybody shaking. Somebody, are you ready? People, are you ready? Everybody ready. Everybody party. Race right. Everybody knows you the best one. Everybody knows you're special. Love it when you take it down low. Take it down low. Take it down low. Take it down low. Everybody take it up. Wind it out and take it up. Take it out and take it up. Wind it out and take it up. Ready to go. Take it low. Bump, bump. Do it, do it. Oompa. Take a bonito. Oompa. Take a banana. Oompa. Take a bonito. Oompa. Take a banana. Oompa. Daddy can take a bonito. Oompa. Daddy can take a banana. Oompa. Daddy can take a bonito. Oompa. Daddy can take a banana. Oompa. 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 Daddy can take a bonito. Oompa. Daddy can take a banana. Oompa. Daddy can take a bonito. Oompa. Daddy can take a banana. You what up? Okay, ladies. Oh, you the dancing shoes? Spice. If you had you a clown, man. All right, ladies, take off your shoes. We got the dance right now. Let's go. I mean, I'm a mama. I'm the dodo. I mean, I'm a guapo. I'm the dodo. Oompa. 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 Hey, she had it. I mean, I'm a mama. I'm the dodo. I'm the dodo. I'm the dodo. Oompa. Oompa. Oh my God. Hey, June, what up, man? Yo, come on. Little June. Somebody get some water, soaking wet, do anything till it gets us wet. Go from the back, till it open shut. Give on till it can over. Give on till it can over. Come on. Oh my God! Yes, she on fire. place get it hotter. But she needs some water to get rid of all the fire. Now she ready to dance to my shit talk. Give she more water cause I ready to dog the bay. Give her till it can over. Give her.
We link up already with Radio Centroamerica from Los Angeles. So we're live throughout the world through two radio stations. Two powerful radio stations. www.lmbootroots.com radio from the Bronx, New York. And of course, www.radiocentroamerica.com from Los Angeles. ¿Qué motea? Ready for that music and talk with DJ Labugas live.
Can't tell you nothing. When somebody say something, the shoes, yeah, you pay for that. The clothes, yeah, you pay for that. That you pay for that. That you pay for that. Feel it, say. If you like it, say. Go, baby, go. Go, baby, go. Push back, push back, push back, push back. You got me, dada. You got me, dada.
Te que, penas, ahogándose en el alcohol por una decepción. Así me enredé con ella, tiene un cuerpo de diosa, la hice olvidar sus penas, la hice mi señora. Así me enredé con ella, tiene un cuerpo de diosa, la hice olvidar sus penas, la hice mi señora. Ay. Quería darle todo, que no faltara nada, por eso me fui, y cuando volví la perdí. Cuando llegué a la casa, me recibió llorando, entonces ya me dijo, perdóname mi amor, perdóname mi amor, perdóname mi amor, perdóname mi amor, me equivoqué, perdóname mi amor, perdóname mi amor, perdóname mi amor, me equivoqué, perdóname mi amor, perdóname mi amor, perdóname mi amor, me equivoqué. Ay, mami, ay, mami, ¡Guapa! Ahora sí viene el rebane para que todo el mundo la goce. Para todos esos albañiles con lo que las esposas se van. Vamos a bailar conmigo el paso del albañil. Repecha, 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 y tú metiendo la cuchara. Repecha, 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 y tú metiendo la cuchara. Cepilla, 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 y tú metiendo la cuchara. Cepilla, 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 y tú metiendo la cuchara. Ok, ahora vamos con la versión sopa y cuchara. Vamos todo el mundo.
Abuga.
Yes, Roy the Drummer, we have you live and direct on Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. Roy the Drummer, we want to talk about the event that we have planned for the 1st of January 2016, which is this Friday. I want you to tell the beautiful audience listening right now, we have a full house, brother, about the Jan Kunu, about the Wanarawa that we have lined up for this Friday at Club Q18 off of 54th and Crenshaw. Go ahead, bro.
Yes, I want to say a pleasant good evening to one and all. Also, happy holidays and prosperous and happy New Year's to everybody who's listening to tune in to DJ Labuga and his radio. Yes, 1st of January 2016, we're doing it cultural style. We have the 1 hour coming by. They're going to finish there approximately, hopefully they'll be there between the hours of 9 or 10 p.m. But the doors will be open at 7. We'll have live drumming by myself and my good friend DJ Block, Denton Figueroa. We have DJ Labuga, that's yourself, Ronnie, and also DJ Block himself. So we have a full entertainment lineup for everybody to have fun, and we're only charging $10, all right? So you can't go wrong. You guys are going to have a wonderful time, as always, and I'm looking forward to seeing you, all right?
Roy, hold on, man. Don't get off the hook so easy like that, man. So $10 will give me what? 6-pack, a drink, or what's up with that?
What happened?
What do I get? What do I get with my $10 admission?
Oh, it's a surprise. When you get there, it's a surprise. We have no surprises. Just come through, and you guys, I guarantee you're going to have fun. If you don't have fun, I'll give you back your $10. Me personally, Roy the Drummer, I'm going to give back $10. So we have a lot of surprises to give you guys and entertainment to fullest, right? To
Yes, man.
fullest
So
capacity. So Looking forward to see you guys.
Yes,
Definitely gonna enjoy yourself.
No, but let me ask you, man. So for the people who drink, do you have a fully stocked bar, everything they want to drink?
They should know that. Come on, this is the here, man. We don't. Bars always start cool. You know how we get down.
Man, we gotta give our people, our followers, what they want, man. If they want to have a nice drink, socialize and enjoy and come and support. Yeah.
I'm sorry to cut you off, but I could make a post, and if you guys are on Facebook, I could make a post, and you guys could just comment on what you guys would prefer to have per se as a drink. Cause sometimes we go with the regular Corona, Heineken, and sometimes Miller. People have Hennessy, Black Label, but sometimes you have certain alcohol and liquor and people don't buy. So we like to provide the preference, and then the majority always rules,
How about Guinness? Would you have Guinness?
Yeah, of course you're gonna have Guinness. There's always Guinness there. I'm not a drinker no more. I quit drinking. I only drink wine, red wine, and then champagne. That's all I drink now. Or a little bit of beer from time to time. No hard liquor for me. I'm getting too old for that.
That's good for you, man. So we're gonna bring in 2016, ladies and gentlemen, with the Wanarawa. The John Kunu will be not only stopping by a Club 18, Q18, but also they will be finishing up right there the whole journey, the whole day of dancing in Los Angeles from house to house is going to end right at our club Q18, which is located on 54th and Crenshaw. And that's where we expect each and every one, because we're going to have fun. We have DJ Block. We have on the drums, of course, Roy, the drummer, the number one drummer in Southern California and in California as a whole, I would say. Backed up by, of course, the segunda drum from DJ Block, Mr. Figueroa. And, of course, DJ La Buga in the house alongside with DJ Block. So, ladies and gentlemen, don't miss it. We're going to have a good time this Friday. It's going to start early at 7 p.m. as we await for the Wanarawa to come and stop there. So, Roy, anything else you want to tell the audience who are listening so that they could actually get excited and say, I want to be there?
Oh, yeah? Let me see. I would probably say, I want to say, let me see, let me think.
Roy, wait a minute. Why do you sound nervous?
Yala muge wale, wabime. Yala muge wale, wana hena ya. Yala muge wale, waga hena ya. Yala muge wale. Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about, brother. That's what I'm talking about. Thank you, Roy. We'll leave you alone, man. Enjoy the rest of your day. And tomorrow, there is a big party going on right here in Los Angeles, celebrating New Year's Eve day. And of course, on the 1st, we have our event with the Wanarawa, and so we hope to see you all. $10 to get in, and it's a nice place. It's a nice and warm place where you could come and enjoy the Wanarawa with the entire community. We have the Garifuna community from Guatemala, from Honduras, from Belize. We have the crowd from Barrios, PG, Dan Griga. Everybody's going to be there in the house. So, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget this Friday, the 1st of January 2016 at Club Q18 off of 54th and Crenshaw. Thank you, Roy. Enjoy, man. Take care. Ayo.
Dedicamos esta canción al último casino de la playa, a Jesús Casito. Marisa
Welcome to Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. We are live from the studios in Long Beach through RadioCentroamerica.com and LMBRoots.com radio in New York. Every Wednesday from 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time and 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We bring to you the best of recording artists, musicians, producers, and musical directors behind Garifuna Music. So welcome to Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga and enjoy my show tonight.
International Film Festival 2016 from May 26th through the 30th at the Electric Lodge Performing Arts. For more information, go to www.garifunafilmfestival.com. Documentaries, films, live cultural performances. Don't miss it. The 5th Annual Garifuna Indigenous International Film Festival 2016.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are back. This is Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. This is your host, DJ Labuga. We're straight from the studios in Long Beach, California, through two wonderful radio stations that have been with us in this collaborative. We are talking about www.radiocentroamerica.com from Los Angeles, right off of Wilshire at the Guatemalan Consulate. And of course, in the Boogie Down Bronx, www.lmbroots.com /LMB radio /. For short, all you could do is just type www.lmbroots.com and you should be able to get into the main page of the radio station. And of course, click on the tab that says LMB Radio and you should be able to tune in right away and listen to all of this wonderful programming on a 24-hour basis. We are live on LMB Roots 24/7. So ladies and gentlemen, we're live and direct. This is Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. We are having a good time right here tonight, ladies and gentlemen, as we expect to interview tonight Sweet Pen Band all the way from Belize, visiting Los Angeles for tomorrow night's wonderful party, Welcome in 2016. And of course, Biggs the CEO and Consigo. So ladies and gentlemen, we are proud to announce that we are saying good night and goodbye to 2015 with a 21 gun salute, ladies and gentlemen. We have wonderful music, wonderful musicians right here, live and direct on Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Lab. This is Aurelio Martinez from the album Conexión Caribe. Un saludo muy cordial para Javiercillo de González. Dice, buenas noches, Ronnie. Aquí estamos escuchándote a todo volumen. Saludos. ¿Desde dónde? Repórtese, familia, repórtese.
Melissa
para Javiercillo de González desde el centro de Los Ángeles. ¡Qué ya! De Nicaragua, en total sintonía Nueva York, Music and Talk with DJ La Fuga. Estamos en vivo desde los estudios en Long Beach, California, a través de Radio Centroamérica y lnbroots.com, allá en Boogie Down Bronx, Nueva York.
Más conocido como Gran Pilín. Osamina, Osamina, tu baby Pilín. Osamina, Osamina, tu baby Pilín.
Tonight, Sweet Pain.
Osamina, tu baby. Belo, balito, belo. Osamina, tu baby. Belo, balito, belo. Belo, belo, belo. Belo, balito, belo.
Consigo.
Belo, belo. Belo, balito, belo. Ma, belo, belo, belo.
Biggs, the CEO.
Belo, belo. Belo, balito, belo. Belo, belo.
And of course, your phone calls 323-898-6841. Call me.
Balito, belo. Ma.
We'll put you live on the air, ladies and gentlemen. 323-898-6841.
Balito, belo. Belo, belo, belo. Belo, balito, belo. Belo, belo, belo. Belo, balito, belo. Ma, belo, belo, belo. Belo, balito, belo. Belo, belo, belo. Belo, balito, belo. Belo, belo, belo. Belo, balito, belo. Uy.
Foto, ya quisiera que Ricky tocara el piano, ¿me entiendes?
Uy. Mambo, mambo. Uy. Mi tradición. Qué rico. Chupa. Chupa, chupa, chupa. Uy. Levántate, Bartolito, ya llegado la hora cero. Levántate, Bartolito, ya llegado la hora cero. Obviamente no me levanto, porque tengo mucho frío. Obviamente no me levanto, porque tengo mucho frío. Banana way, banana way, banana, banana way, banana way, banana, banana way, banana way, banana, banana way, banana way,
El hijo de Bodoma.
banana way,
This is Bodoma's son, ladies and gentlemen.
banana way.
Brand new album in 2015.
Banana way, banana way, banana, banana way, banana way, banana. Ay, maluga, mimi namu, nege mogi amu, nege mogi amu, dame la ruga parudo, da uri nege funaro, nege mogi amu. Banana way, banana way, banana, banana way, banana way, banana, banana way, banana way, banana, banana way, banana.
gentlemen, we're live and direct from the studios in Long Beach, California. This is Garifuna Music on Talk with DJ Labuga, your weekly radio show. And for 2016, ladies and gentlemen, we have brand new programs coming up. Brand new programs, definitely. We are going to surprise you with the best of Garifuna American Heritage Foundation United, the best of GAFU. We'll be bringing Garifuna lessons online live to all of you straight from Belize with the best of Garifuna teachers. So just keep this in mind. We're going to bring Garifuna Language and Culture Academy online to the radio through, of course, Radio Centroamerica and lmbroots.com. We're going to bring Garifuna history to you. We're going to bring Garifuna spirituality, Garifuna duo, through the best in the business. Yes, our best representatives of Garifuna duo, the language, Garifuna spirituality, Garifuna drumming, and the different music genre. We're going to bring the experts to you, ladies and gentlemen, so stay tuned. And, of course, this is brought to you by the Alliance for California Traditional Arts in Garifuna American Heritage Foundation United for 2016. The best of programs. Yes, learn Garifuna online through our free lessons and free classes straight from our studios in Long Beach. So welcome to Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga, ladies and gentlemen. We have a wonderful show tonight. We have Sweet Pain in the house. We have Consigo in the house. And, of course, Biggs, the CEO, in the house to talk to you and to wish you a happy 2016, because tomorrow night we are celebrating big in Los Angeles with Sweet Pain Band, Consigo, Biggs the CEO, Little June, and of course backed by Punta Mania Band from Los Angeles. It's going to be at Mi Palazzo Hall, located on the corner of Vermont and Florence Avenue in Los Angeles. Ladies and gentlemen, tomorrow night, tickets are already on sale. If you want tickets, please call Mr. Spice Killer. Spice Killer is on standby. The number is 718-606-5364. You could also call the numbers that are listed on our Facebook page on the flyer. So we have the flyer posted on Ronnie Figueroa Facebook page, and this is a social announcement for those of you who are interested in going out tomorrow night to have a good time. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, there is also a dance for grown-ups tomorrow night with Gui Pasi and Libanya Baba right at 54th and Crenshaw at the Egyptian Temple off of 54th and Crenshaw, off of right on Crenshaw between 54th and 53rd Avenue. Off of Crenshaw at the Egyptian Temple. Gui Pasi tomorrow night, along with the #1 cultural band, Libanya Baba, from Los Angeles, California. Ladies and gentlemen, tomorrow night, lots of things going on. And don't forget, on Friday the 1st, we have the Wanarawa Dancers, which will be dancing and ending their journey tomorrow night at Club Q18 between Crenshaw and 54th, between Crenshaw and 11th Avenue on 54th Street. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is for Friday, the 1st of January 2016. For those of you who are interested in attending a function to get out, to get away, and have a good time tomorrow night, two going on, one at Mi Palazzo Hall and one at Egyptian Temple. And, of course, the one at Mi Palazzo Hall with the wonderful Sweet Pain Band from Belize, all the way from Belize, Consigo and Biggs, the CEO, alongside Little June, and of course, Punta Mania Band will be backing them up tomorrow night, ladies and gentlemen, at Mi Palazzo Hall and at the Egyptian Temple off of Crenshaw and 54th, between 53rd and 54th. There is Gui Pasi in the house and the wonderful Libanya Baba cultural drummers off of Crenshaw and 53rd and 54th Street at the Egyptian Temple. And on Friday, the 1st of January 2016, the Wanarawa Jankunu dancers will be stopping by and ending their long journey, the whole day of dancing in the streets of Los Angeles, right there at Club Q18 off of 54th and Crenshaw, between Crenshaw and 11th Avenue, right around the corner from the Egyptian temple. That's where we have the Wanara Wajankunu dancers tomorrow at 7 p.m. $10 admission to get in. And don't forget, there will be plenty of parking, food, and drinks. And, let's have a good time this 1st of January, celebrating 2016, brand new year, New Year's Day. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. We're live and direct from the studios in Long Beach, California. Que emote, huh? We are proud to announce the 5th annual Garifuna Indigenous International Film Festival 2016 from May 26th through the 30th at the Electric Lodge Performing Arts. For more information, go to www.garifunafilmfestival.com. Documentaries, films, live cultural performances, don't miss it. The 5th annual Garifuna Indigenous International Film Festival 2016.
Não é binado sou zuto. Lá me afeto ao gober gutabu genans. Nare muhale sule bago do gube bom. Na mule lista dibusa. Rig da bay. Wens. Rig da bote piano to no ninguém. E a lista dibusa. 40 quadros da gente querida. Hey, we bugani. Hey, we bugani. La gura baga de wakikeni. Aliye.
Happy 2016. This is the last show for 2015, so let's have a good time. 323-898-6841.
na bulao. Wapa na Sandro na lolo dunao. Rubo bani ginu. Dame sa pico tu corazón. Erragana ni simisi. Luna de terutao ni bibidi. Luni bago wari ya bupuluri. Yeka tuna malama parigini. Ey, itara niña que uno no la rigi suguro. Aji, ni lumuti no dinaro pudu beiro.
Hey, que no divino mau. Ita la línea pa divino now, que no divino mau. Ita la línea pa divino now. Hey, yo burabana, ulichi guabana. Ariga mamu que sungu me hice ni le cuánto pape. Hey, que no divino mau. Ita la línea pa divino now, que no divino mau. Ita la línea pa divino now. Hey, yo burabana, ulichi guabana. Ariga mamu que sungu me hice ni le cuánto pape.
Marenga mango la mambo cero manuma. Numa. Que mío ni apago. Que mío no hago. Marenga mango la mambo cero manuma. Numa. Que mío no hago. Kamale me por la wagabo. Na pura para unir lo para con un haga. Tu na mo kama kamale tiri me mango. Wari ya wana mo gelibi.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're getting ready for Sweet Pain Band live from Los Angeles. Consigo and Biggs the CEO. ¿Qué motia? An exclusive interview, ladies and gentlemen, right here. LMBRoots.com radio. Radio Centroamérica.
la buga,
Man, it don't cost no money to salute a nigga to say, damn, my nigga, your shit hot, nigga. Don't cost no money, nigga. You niggas like y'all got to pay to give a nigga love, man.
Haya
Abogados Tegucigalpa, ¿qué mutea? ¿Cómo estás? Bienvenida a Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ La Buga esta noche. ¿Cómo se encuentra en Nueva York y qué tipo de frío hay allá, Budari?
Buenas noches, mis amores, Guitiguño. Bueno, aquí en Nueva York está un poco frío y hay una tormenta que no tienen idea. Está lloviendo que olvídense.
Parece el diluvio.
Cayó granizo creo que el día martes, pero ya después del día martes, ya hoy miércoles, entonces está lloviendo fuerte. Bueno, mis amores, estamos activos, ¿verdad?
Claro que sí, estamos ya en vivo y a todo color. Lo que pasa es de que te queríamos retrasar un poquitito más porque Sweet Pen Band se acaba de reportar de que ya están preparándose para la entrevista, pero en lo que ellos esperan, mejor dije, vamos con Budari. Ella tiene mejor información ahorita al día de lo que va a pasar este gran fin de semana para despedir el año 2015. Así es que adelante con tu reporte, Budari Isieni, Budari Palacios de Budari Dance Company allá en Nueva York. ¿Qué motea?
Ok, mis amores. Bueno, pues antes de comenzar con mi reporte, quería mandar lo que es una gran condolencia, mi sentido pésame a lo que es el hermano garífuna Pablo García, ¿verdad? De parte también de lo que es Budari Dance Company y bueno, de ustedes, queridos DJ La Buga y todas las radios internet conectadas, ya que pues lastimosamente el hijo de Pablo García fue asesinado por la naval, en la cual ellos dicen que fue una equivocación, pensando que eran narcotraficantes. Pues esto lastimosamente se dio en lo que es la comunidad garífuna de Iriona. Y la verdad que ya como garífunas tenemos que levantar la voz para que ya no sigan sucediendo tantas injusticias. Fueron varios muchachos los cuales fueron atacados, balaceados y solamente saben decir por equivocación. No es justo. También estaba chequeando que lo que es la comunidad garífuna de Limón, porque ahorita todos estamos protestando para que se vaya a la Fuerza Naval de las comunidades garífunas. Sin embargo, todavía, a pesar de las luchas y todo eso, vamos a ver qué es lo que sucede por allá. Pero como familia que somos, como garífunas que somos, mi más sentido pésame a lo que es el señor Pablo García. Estamos en su dolor y le pedimos a Dios y los ancestros, pues, que le den fuerza para sobrellevar este dolor, porque no es fácil perder un hijo. Entonces,
muy buena
mis
nota,
amores, bueno,
Budari. Muy buena nota y qué barbaridad realmente. Yo vi la foto por Facebook y es una atrocidad lo que está sucediendo en Honduras. Ahí necesitan poner orden porque realmente están abusando con los garífunas. Eso de disparar y que se equivocaron son tonterías. Yo creo que hay que poner la mano dura para que estén parando este genocidio que están haciendo contra la comunidad garífuna. Realmente es sin palabras lo que sucedió. La foto del joven con un gran hoyo del disparo que recibió en la cara. Es una pena la que da de la Fuerza Naval del gobierno de Honduras. Realmente es una pena. Tienen que realmente responder por este genocidio que están poniendo hacia la comunidad garífuna y a todos los jóvenes garífunas en Honduras.
Honduras está siendo asesinado, Honduras está siendo desaparecido por la violencia. Dios mío, algo tiene que pasar para que todo esto pare, ¿verdad? Así que le mandamos todas nuestras condolencias y bueno, seguimos con lo que es los eventos de este fin de semana. Dios mío, feliz año nuevo, mis amores, a todos. Un gran saludo para todo Honduras, Guatemala, Nicaragua, Belice, California, Houston, Nueva York, donde quiera que nos encuentren. Digo,
Happy
que
New
nos
Year.
encuentren, no, que nos escuchen.
¡Feliz año!
Bueno, este diciembre 31, lo que es la Aruga Show, ¿verdad? Va a tener su evento también en el 524 de Brook Avenue en Bronx, Nueva York, ¿verdad? Estará Bodoma, Fuchsia, Billy, HP, ¿verdad? Antes de las 12 de la noche, las personas podrán entrar gratis. Después de las 12, pues guarde sus $15 porque los tendrá que pagar. No podemos olvidar tampoco lo que es el nuevo Black and White, que el local de ellos está en el 780 East de la 133 Street, Bronx, Nueva York, ¿verdad? Está a la esquina de Willow Avenue. También pueden llamar lo que es el 1646-530-6055. Nueva York no descansa. Nueva York está activo. Aquí hay que tomarse con unas cuantas Red Bull.
No duermen,
para
no
aguantar
duermen.
tanto de besos. También vayan apuntando, díganme si voy muy rápido para que vayan apuntando porque sé que mucha gente viene para Nueva York. Oh, sí, que de California, que de Nueva Orleans, que de Houston, que de Miami. Así que todo el mundo informándose. Para los que quieran venir a gozar primero de enero, sí, ¿verdad? Está lo que es, va a haber un evento aquí en Brooklyn. Está lo que es Benedict Brothers, New York Dance, ¿verdad? Esto lo van a hacer en el 131 de Arlington Avenue, entre Snake Avenue y Barbie, ¿verdad? Las puertas van a abrir a las 10 de la noche. Antes de las 11:30 van a cobrar $15 y después de las 11:30 van a cobrar $20. Va a estar buenísimo, va a estar Bodoma con su banda cultural de percusión, ¿verdad? Va a estar H&P, DJ Leroy, que bueno, todo el mundo conoce a DJ Leroy aquí en Brooklyn. Va a estar también este niño poeta, canta muy bonito. Así que esperamos de que la gente vengan a disfrutar también lo que es este este viernes, ¿verdad? Que estoy confundida entre 2015 y 2016, Dios mío. ¿Y cómo están las fiestas por allá, mis amores?
Pues por aquí tremendo festival, tenemos 2 fiestas grandes mañana con la presencia de Belice. Tenemos a Sweet Pain Band, una de las bandas más candentes de Belice. Están ya aquí, arribaron el día de ahora a Los Ángeles. Es una banda que se compone de 5 o 6 jóvenes muy, muy talentosos y ellos van a estar con Biggs, the CEO, y también con Consigo y Little June, acompañado de nada más y nada menos también haciendo un mano a mano con Punta Manía Band de aquí de Los Ángeles, lo que era Punta Cartel antes. Y también esta misma noche de mañana estará un baile para adultos que es el baile de despedida del año 2015 con Gui Pasi Band y los tambores culturales de Libaña Baba. Mañana eso va a ser en la Crenshaw y la 54 en el Egyptian Temple de Los Ángeles. Y también regresando a lo que es el baile de Sweet Pain Band y Consigo, Biggs the CEO y Little June con un mano a mano con Punta Manía. Eso va a ser allá en la 70 y la Vermont, en el Mi Palazzo Hall, que está localizado en la Vermont y la Florence. Así es de que no se olviden, mañana eso va a estar buenísimo. Y el viernes le vamos a dar la bienvenida al año nuevo 2016, el 1 de enero, allá en el Club Q18 de la 54 y la Crenshaw, entre la Crenshaw y la 11 Avenida con el Yancunú. Tendremos el baile de Guanaragua que estará terminando su jornada de todo el día de baile de casa en casa en la ciudad, en las calles de Los Ángeles, ahí en nuestro Club Q18 con lo mejor de la música garífuna con DJ La Buga, yours truly, y también con DJ Block y el tambor en vivo con Roy the Drummer y DJ Block. Claro que sí, ellos estarán ahí amenizando el tambor toda la noche después del Yancunú. ¿Cómo te parece?
Todo eso va a estar candelita, pollito asado, va a estar fire.
Ya tú sabes.
Sí, esperamos muy pronto que Budari Dance Company también pueda estar en esas actividades para ser parte de tanta alegría y de tanta celebración en California. ¿Por qué
Budari,
no? Bueno, mis amores, también les aviso que...
dame un
aquí-
segundito.
Ajá.
Dame un segundito. No colgues, por favor. Hello, good evening, good night, good evening, Little June. Yes, who's this?
Yeah, Little June.
Little June, can I call you right back in about 5 minutes? I have Budari Dance Company in on the line from New York, so let me call you in 5 minutes so we could talk to you guys. Is that okay?
Okay, no problem.
Give me about three to 5 minutes.
Yeah, too, so everybody is also online too.
Okay, good. Thanks, Numala. Give me about 5 minutes. All right.
All right.
Thanks.
All right.
Okay, Budari, estamos contigo de vuelta. Dime. Ajá.
Qué bueno, quiero saludar a lo que es a la comunidad garífuna de Bajamar. Aquí hay una organización que se llama Juventud de Bajamar, el cual ellos van a tener un Judutu Party este sábado 16 de enero de 11 de la mañana a 11 de la noche. Va a ser a beneficio de lo que es la comunidad garífuna de Bajamar. Ellos van a estar en el 443 San Anas Avenue, ¿verdad? Bronx, Nueva York, 10445. Eso está entre las 145 y 146 Street. Pueden coger lo que es el bus 17, ¿verdad? Lo que está aquí. Eso va a ser en el Bronx. El bus 17 hasta la 149 Street y San Ana. O pueden llamar para sus boletos o información del Judutu y los... Bueno, ¿verdad? Para que se informen más, pueden llamar al 917-562-9055. Me parece que también ellos van a hacer delivery. No estoy segura, pero sería bueno que llamen para también apartar su platito de Judutu a tiempo. Van a tener artistas como Baby Lou y Mundito Hernández y más sorpresas. Esto va a ser sábado 16 de enero. También está el patronato de la comunidad garífuna de Bajamar. Ellos van a tener una fiesta de gala, ¿verdad? La entrada va a ser 90 anticipado y $100 en puerta. Eso va a ser en un lugar bien bonito que se llama Maestros Caterer y está en el 1703 de Bronxville y Bronx, New York, ¿verdad? Pueden llamar esto va a ser el sábado 27 de febrero del 2016, de 10 p.m. a 3 a.m., o sea que esto va a ser una fiesta de gala, así que hay que preparar todo y sobre todo preparar los billullos para poder apoyar a nuestra gente de Bajamar, ¿por qué no? ¿Verdad? Nosotros vamos a una tienda, compramos 3 cosas y eso fueron $100, entonces hay que mejor que disfrutarlo porque no se sabe el día de mañana si vamos a estar aquí.
Correcto, bien dicho.
Bueno, mis amores, le mando un especial saludo a todo lo que es mi gente. Siempre me están llamando mi gente de Tegucigalpa. Ya van a comenzar. Estamos activados aquí escuchando la radio, me dice. Así que un especial saludo para lo que es mi Jehan Romero, para toda la familia, para toda la gente que nos están escuchando allá en Honduras, que poco a poco se están conectando con nosotros y que le está llamando la atención el trabajo que nosotros como equipo estamos haciendo, ¿verdad? Así que gracias a toda esa gente que están conectadas, que cogen un poco de su tiempo para poder escucharnos a nosotros.
Excelente, gracias Budari. No, tremendo trabajo que estás haciendo tú con la comunidad de Honduras, especialmente allá en Tegucigalpa, que te quieren tanto. Yo creo que eres la hija adoptiva. Cuando llegues a Tegu, te vayan a entregar las llaves de la ciudad. ¿Qué te parece? ¿Qué, Motia?
Yo encantada y feliz. Pero
nadie te va a tocar.
Que me entreguen las de Nueva York.
Bueno, ¿por qué no? Poco a poco te estás ganando a Nueva York ya con Budari Dance Company.
Ay, sí, mis amores. Bueno, viene enero y ¿cuánto tiempo tenemos? Porque yo voy express.
Unos 5 minutos más, Budari.
Bueno. Ok, solamente les haré saber que lo que es en enero y la próxima semana les estaré dando nuevamente lo que es los eventos de Corozal. Corozal está de fiesta. Corozal desde el 9 de enero, señores, comienza la feria de Corozal. Así que todo ya para el próximo miércoles, lo hice el miércoles pasado, y también lo voy a volver a hacer el que viene porque ya estaríamos en lo que es enero del 2016. También está lo que es Inmobiliaria Rabat, ¿verdad? Ellos tienen hermosas casas en el área de La Ceiba, con vista de Satuyé. Ellos pueden llamar a cualquier persona que esté interesada en comprar su casita en Honduras. Pueden llamar al 504-969-66152. 504-969-66152. ¿Verdad? Hay diferentes precios de casas. Puede coger desde $24,155 o diferentes precios dependiendo qué es lo que el cliente quiere. Bueno, mis amores, solo les puedo decir un feliz año nuevo. Siento que este 2016 vamos a explotar, vamos a hacer una bomba de tantas cosas buenas que nos van a venir, de tanta posibilidad y de tantos proyectos que Dios y los ancestros nos van a poner en nuestras manos. Pero lo más importante que yo le pido para toda mi gente es la salud, porque un pulmón, una pierna o un corazón, eso no tiene reemplazo, no hay hospitales.
Cierto,
entonces,
muy cierto.
les deseo también a ustedes en California lo mejor, siempre lo mejor y siempre positividad. Que seguimos trabajando así como estamos, créanme, señores, vamos a llegar muy lejos.
Claro que sí, Budari, muy amable, gracias. Un feliz año nuevo para ti y para Budari Dance Company, que es un tremendo grupo de jóvenes, un talento nato que realmente vienen entrenados, la mayoría de ustedes desde Honduras, desde el Ballet Folclórico Nacional Garífuna de Honduras, y pues muchos de ustedes han bregado mucho en este negocio y saben lo que es representar la cultura garífuna. Así es que un orgullo para todos nosotros el poder tenerte a ti como representante de La Voz de Nueva York, que nos da información de lo que está pasando en todos los lugares sociales y antisociales de lo que es en Nueva York, ¿verdad? Así es de que gracias a ti por esa noticia, gracias por querer mucho a tu gente, gracias por darnos esas palabras de amor, esas palabras de paciencia, esas palabras de júbilo, esas palabras de fuerza, porque de lo que sucede en Honduras ahorita tenemos que estar muy unidos y muy al pendiente, porque esos abusos van a continuar y tenemos que estar preparados para poder repeler esos abusos contra las comunidades garífunas, no solamente en Honduras, en Nicaragua, en Belice, en Guatemala y en San Vicente y las Granadinas. Claro que sí, Budari, gracias a ti, gracias a tu esposo, gracias por ser parte de este tremendo equipo, y pues nuestra sincera felicitación a ti, a tu grupo y a tu persona por ser parte de lo que es Budari Palacios, nuestra voz desde Nueva York, que nos pone al día de lo que está pasando. Sereme.
Sereme, mis amores, que Dios y los ancestros los bendigan. 2016, vamos con todo. Adiós.
Lida Dan. Ayo, ladies and gentlemen, Budari Dance Company, directamente desde Nueva York con el reporte semanal de lo que sucede en la sociedad de la comunidad garífuna más grande fuera de Centroamérica, Nueva York, Mamaguama. Ayo.
Ayo.
Hey!
Aha, Ida Bianchi, Numada.
La Buga.
Yes.
The comadre.
Hey, comadre, you are live on the radio right now. My comadre,
Oh,
Miss
no.
Lambi, Miss Lambi. I have you right on the microphone live throughout the world. So you are live. So tell us what's going on there in the studio, what's going on tonight with the rehearsals, with everything to get ready for the big show for tomorrow. Please.
Well, all the guys are here, but it's getting ready. You know, Little June is here. He's playing some music. The Method Man is here. We have Mr. Martinez, Canejo, Gina Mar, Jobo.
Damn. All right, let's get started, comadre. Do me a favor, Miss Delcia Lambe. Can you please call someone who is not rehearsing right now? Maybe Jobo, maybe Method Man.
June is right here. Hold
let me
on
talk
a
to you,
second.
June. Thank you, comadre. Nice talking to you, and Happy New Year, and we'll see you tomorrow night.
Hello.
Hey, little June. Happy New Year, Numada.
Yes, Little June.
Man, little June. We're very excited, man, that you guys have been able to put together another quality show for tomorrow night. Please give us all the details of what's going on tomorrow night, because we want to make sure that the people who are listening know where, when, what time, how much, and who's going to be there. ¿Qué, Motia?
Okay, well, tomorrow we're going to be at Mi Palacio Banquet Hall, Los Angeles, located at 70th Street between Vermont and Florence. And we also going to have me, myself, Lil June. We're going to have Contigo. We're going to have Biggs, the CEO, Punta Mania, and the big band from Belize, Sweet Pain. Hey, yo, Sweet Pain, say yeah! Woo! We're the brothers, so, the deadline for the tickets was yesterday, but I think it's still possible for you to get your tickets. Well, it's $30 for tickets and $40 at the entrance tomorrow. So
ladies
if you
and
don't
gentlemen,
have your tickets, get it now.
Yes, get your
Till
tickets
12.
now. $30 now, $40 tomorrow at the door. So make sure you call Little June. Little June, give us the phone numbers to call. People want to know where to call, who to call right now. Somebody who's going to be able to pick up the phone and deliver the tickets. Come on.
Okay, you can call 323-495-3470.
Okay. Again, one more time. 323.
323-495-3470.
Beautiful, beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, don't forget this, the biggest show saying goodbye to 2015. This is, of course, the biggest show in Los Angeles with Sweet Pain Band, Little June, Consigo, Biggs, the CEO, and of course, Punta Mania Band, which will be mano a mano along with Sweet Pain Band. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the show of the year. $30 to get in if you get the tickets right now, and $40 at the door. So, Little June, who do we have next? Who do we have there around you that we could put on the mic and say hello?
We have the whole crew here. You know what? I'm going to pass you Jobo,
all right,
lead singer of Sweet Pain, right there. All right, check it.
Yes, I.
Yeah. Hey, DJ La Buga.
Jobo, Numada, Butiguño, Ida Viña, bienvenido. Welcome to Los Angeles, Numada.
Thank you, my friend. Thank you, my friend. It's a pleasure as usual, all the time, every time.
Man, no, it is a pleasure for me, man, to have you guys back again, especially on our radio show. You guys make it happen. You guys are the life of the party. Sweet Pain Band, the #1 band right now in Belize, and I would say the entire Central American Garifuna community. So tell us what's going on. How is Sweet Pain getting ready for tomorrow night?
Well, as usual, we Sweet Pain come with the energy and the entertainment that the people need to make sure that they have a high level of fun. We come all the way from Belize to give our people here in Los Angeles and all those who will be traveling to LA this New Year's Eve to be a part of the event. We come to give you the best of entertainment, nothing but the best of Punta Rock and the music. We bring the best.
Yes, man, that's what we want to hear. That's what the fans of Sweet Pain Band want to hear. Listen, do you guys have any CDs available for sale for tomorrow night? If the fans, men, women, young and old, want to get a copy of your CD, you guys have CDs for tomorrow?
Yes. We have CDs. we have CDs tomorrow for sale. What happened is that personally, as Jobo, as also a recording artist, I am working on a shipment of school books for a school in Belize, especially the schools that I work at, and I'm having my CD on sale. So those, instead of donating money to pay for the shipment, we're asking people to buy the CD so we can pay for the shipment. So it's enjoying a nice CD and also contributing towards our worthy cause. No?
Okay, so you are fundraising to pay for the shipment of books that will be going to your school where you teach in Dangriga, Belize.
Donated
in
by
Belmont.
some French beer here in California.
Oh, I see. Wow, I see. Wow, that is wonderful, man. I am proud of the work you do, man. You really represent. You are a true gentleman and a true teacher, man, in all the sense of the word, man, with the music that you deliver, with the stuff that you do. So congratulations, man. And, man, we're so proud and excited to have you guys back in Los Angeles as the #1 band. Up until today, man, nobody has been able to top off Sweet Pain Band.
Right.
Yes, man. Who do we have next, man? Go ahead.
I'm going to get you a method from Sweet Pain Band.
All right.
We'll share some more of the action that will happen tomorrow, no?
Yes, Namala. All right. Kemotia.
We going next.
Hey, Method Man. Welcome to Los Angeles, Namada.
What's going on, man?
Hey, family, man, good to have you here, man. I hear that you have lots of family here in Los Angeles. I was just listening to the Antonios and everything that you're related to the Antonio family, man, that you're an asset to the family and an asset to, of course, the big band called Sweet Pain Band. So welcome to Los Angeles.
Yeah. It's a pleasure, man. It's cool right now. I enjoy it so far in this nice crib. I can't complain right now. It's warm and nice. But we just want everybody to listen right now. Tomorrow's gonna be an epic show. It's gonna be crazy. You don't know Sweet Pain, yeah. We got a little June Heat. I mean, it's not crazy. You know, playing here on stage. We got Biggs. We got man. We just want everybody to come out and enjoy themselves and support Belizean artists, Belizean musicians, you know, to the fullest. Go support and enjoy themselves. I said bye-bye to 2015 in real life, right?
Yes, man. Beautiful, beautiful. Any new album in the works with you, man? We know that you do a lot of work in a lot of the albums from Sweet Pain Band. Tell us, let the cat out of the bag, man. Tell us what's going on in the works as far as you are concerned and Sweet Pain Band.
Oh yeah. Well, me and Judamar actually we do a lot of behind the scenes work and you know, sit all the meets and everything together that's do. And then we also have the fifth album. The fifth album coming 2016. So want the public get ready for that. The Belizean public, you know, the Punta Rock lovers, and get ready for that one. It's coming out in next month, so it's gonna be crazy.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
Yes, man.
So talk about tomorrow, man. I'm excited. We're ready.
Man.
Everybody ready. Everybody hype up for that. So getting ready. So
yes, man.
You know,
we're even more excited to have you guys. We're even more excited. So you, Method Man, you play. What instrument do you play in the band?
Well, I play keyboard, the lead keyboard for Sweet Pain Band.
Yes,
do a little bit of singing. You know.
We heard you. We heard you, man. You are very talented. You're very talented and very versatile on that keyboard, man. So make us proud tomorrow, man, and represent the Antonio family and represent the entire Garifuna community from Dangriga, because you have a lot of Dangrigana here in Los Angeles who will be coming tomorrow night to see you, man.
It's going to be epic.
Yes,
so
man.
I'm going to pass it on to Elroy, and then we got Consigo, and we got Biggs, and then we wrap up from there.
Okay,
right?
cool. Let's go. Kemotia.
DJ Labuga.
Yes, who am I talking to?
Elroy. This is Elroy.
Yes, Elroy, man.
Martinez.
Yes, man, Elroy Martinez, boy. We hear so much about you as well, man. You guys are very talented, man. You guys must have been called for a special purpose, man, to be part of this wonderful band called Sweet Pain. Tell us about what we expect to see tomorrow night, bro.
All right. Well, tomorrow is gonna be just nice bashment. And I want the public, I want the Belizean public and the other people, especially from Honduras, Guatemala, wherever they come from. I want them to know that the show will be for the young and the old, all right?
Nice.
We'll make sure we provide music for both young and old. So I would advise, come out. Advise everybody come out. It's gonna be nice. It will be a nice show. All right?
Wow, beautiful,
Snow
man.
or not, just come out. Yeah,
So, ladies
just
and
like
gentlemen,
Ahmed said.
don't miss it tomorrow night. We have the night of the century, ladies and gentlemen. Tomorrow night is the good night for 2015. They're saying goodbye for 2015 because 2016 is coming strong with Sweet Pen Band. So tomorrow night is going to be at Mi Palazzo Hall off of 70th and Vermont, right on the corner of Florence Avenue off of Vermont, and it's called Mi Palazzo Hall. There's plenty of street parking. There's plenty of food in there, drinks, and of course the affordable price of $30 if you get the tickets right now. But if you get the tickets tomorrow at the door, you're going to pay $40. So make sure you call the number. I'm going to put my number on my Facebook page, ladies and gentlemen, so that you can get your tickets. Elroy, thank you so much, brother. And tell us what instrument you play on Sweet Pen Band.
All right, well, Sweet Pen Band is a band that was like you're just like what you would say like all stars in the basketball game. Okay.
Yes, man.
So Sweet Pen we have the all stars musicians, all right?
That's true.
So Sweet Pen is made of all the all stars in terms of music, all right? That's basically it. And we come to, we usually provide the music, the right music, the music that the public wants to hear, and that's about it, and keep on the business going. Keep the business going.
Nice.
In terms of the Puntarak. Yeah.
So what instrument do you play in the band, Elroy?
I'm a lead vocalist.
Yes, man. All right.
One of the lead vocalists.
So you're the one who gets to deal with all the ladies, man. The ladies come on stage and they want to jump on your arms, and so you got to deal with all of them ladies, right?
Yeah. Exactly.
Thank you, man.
Yeah.
So let's go next.
All
Who's
right.
next?
So, I'll hand it over to Junimar.
Yes,
yeah.
Yes,
Yes.
Yes, Numada. The very talented Junimar, ladies and gentlemen, he is the man behind a lot of work that is coming out of Belize. He is the man, the unsung hero, the one that is producing lots of albums, more than Dr. Dre right here in the Garifuna.
Yeah, that's right, man. That's right.
So tell us what we expect for tomorrow night, brother.
Yeah, tomorrow we expect a big party, man. That's why everybody come out. We have all the artists here. We have Sweet Bean Band. We have Bakes to See You. We have Lil June. We have, big up SKM Spice. That's the man behind the promotion. Come out, get.
Yes, man. Thank you so much for that, man. And we are really excited to have you guys in Los Angeles. Welcome back to Los Angeles. This is your second home outside of Belize, man. And we are proud to have you guys. And we will make sure that everybody is there tomorrow to represent. We have all the Belizean communities will be there tomorrow, along with Garifuna from Guatemala, from Honduras, from Puerto Barrios, from all over. So we'll be there, man, to support. Thank you so much. Man, and appreciate it. Anything in the works, anything that's coming out of your studio in the next few days?
Yeah, well, basically, we're working on different projects, different artists, and we'll have the band bringing out our next album like next month. Yeah, that's right now. So a lot of work getting done in Belize, and hopefully this year I'm going to release all of them.
Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you, man. We hope to see that music also on iTunes and CD Baby. We want to see that music on downloads.
Yeah, that's in the process. So that's going to be available for everyone now.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Thank you so much, and we'll see you tomorrow, man. Anything else?
Yeah, okay, so the focus is tomorrow, big show, right?
Yes,
Mi Palazzo in LA. Sweet Bean is here. Everybody, we're ready. So to come out, turn up. This is Junior Mar, yeah.
All right, Junimar, thank you so much. Put on the next man right there, next musician on the microphone as we continue to hype up this party for tomorrow night, saying goodbye to 2015. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labug, and we're live and direct from the studios in Long Beach via telephone lines with the #1 band in Belize, now in Los Angeles on a tour. This is Sweet Pen Band right here in Los Angeles. Who's next?
Bueno, consigo tele.
Hey, consigo nomada.
Living colors. Yeah, boy. Can't miss it.
Man, we love you, man. We love you. You're one of the most talented musicians, man. I love the way you do your business, man, with music, how you get promoted but by your auntie out there in Chicago, Miss Garifuna Empress Ogaldes, who is tuning in right now. She wanted to hear your voice, so say hello to Miss Empress Ogaldes.
Hello to my auntie, my manager, motivate me to do everything, inspire me. You don't know, 24/7. Without she, whenever I'm possible to do this, or whenever there's no part. So I have to, send shout out, season greetings to all my people at Chicago, all over the world.
Yes, beautiful, beautiful. So, Consigo, how's the lineup for tomorrow, man? What do we expect to hear and see from you? We want to see you explode on the scene tomorrow, man.
And DJ Lavo, I don't know if you explain it, but listen to me. It's gonna be crazy, like literally crazy. You know, Sweet Pen, Little June, Biggs, the CEO, the lone energetic people. So tomorrow is gonna be crazy. It's gonna be mad. I tell her, it's gonna be a nice show, man. Spice did it this time. He did it this time,
Yes,
the right
I
people
know.
there together, and we just do it. We just do it up.
Yes,
Kali,
man.
You don't know Kali, I'm at home, so
Yes, man.
I'm
Consigo,
always here.
I want you to take a minute, man, to say hello to the people in Belize. We have listeners in Belize checking you guys out because they want to make sure that you guys are here and you're not lying and you're not hiding somewhere in Belmopan or somewhere in Cayo. You know what I mean? So, for sure, I want them to know that you guys are here live in Los Angeles.
And right now, we in the hills. We in the hills, So, it's knowing where we at right now.
Beautiful.
But we still in Cali, though.
Yes, beautiful. Thank you, man. I appreciate it, brother.
Yeah.
I will see you guys tomorrow night. Anything else? Yeah.
Yes, Easter is project coming out. We're working on it already. We already started already. We got a new song coming out like maybe in the next 2 days with video featuring me, Biggs, and Little June. So we want people to look out for that cow. This year, we stopped talk. We started showing in action, like live. Feel me?
That's nice. Yes, man. That's what we want to hear. Man, you guys are the future of Garifuna music, and you guys are doing a great job. You are really representing, and you put in the pride and joy to the Garifuna people who are waiting and are waiting for hit after hit coming out of Consigo, coming out of Biggs, the CEO, Junie Mar, and, of course, the entire Sweet Pen Band. Congratulations, man. And we'll see you guys tomorrow night. Anybody else coming out next to the microphone now?
It's Biggs, the CEO.
All right. All right.
The man at the hour.
Yes, Biggs, the CEO, man. This is the man that I wanted to talk to for so long, man. This is the man behind so many things that are going on right now in the Garifuna music business. So what's going on, my brother? Tell me, man. I want to hear from you. Tell us.
All right. First and foremost, I just want to thank the Father, for blessing us all with this good talent that we are trying to bring across. Right? First, I would have to say big up to Sweet Pain, for actually helping us out with our career. I would have to say big up to Junior Marr for being the best engineer, the 2-time winning award engineer that he is. I would want to say DJ Labuga, thanks to you for actually promoting the music, because a lot of people are not really promoting the music like that. So I would say thanks to you for promoting the music. Tomorrow is going to be epic, like what Method had said, it's going to be epic, Big up to Joe, big up to Elroy, Johnny P, Sweet Pain Band, the whole entire Junior Marr, Method, Little June, Mr. Garif, DJ Cool, the line go on and on and on. Like, I kid you not, it's going to be epic tomorrow. It's going to be crazy. We're here, we're ready. Just now, Little June was on the treadmill, running, saying that he's ready for the show. So it's going to be epic. So it's going to be epic tomorrow.
Yeah, man.
It's going to be epic.
I love that.
It's going to be epic. I just want the world to know. Big up to all the listeners that's keeping it locked to DJ Labuga. I just want to say that thanks for supporting the movement. I can't thank y'all enough. Both here, Belize and abroad. Countrywide. You can actually find my music on YouTube. You can find on www.rawexclusivemusic.com. Right. Look out for new singles from myself as well. I'm bringing out an album for the summer. Actually, we're supposed to do a summer tour. If all goes well, we're supposed to do a summer tour this coming summer. So I'm going to be promoting the album then. So yeah, Mr. Labuga, that's how we're doing it, man. Taking it to a whole nother level,
Thank you, man. Appreciate that, man, and thank you for the mention, and also congratulations to you, man. You have a big heart. You have your heart in the right place because you are doing what a lot of people want to do but don't have the know-how. It's not easy to be in this business. You gotta have the know-how. You gotta have the tough skin, man, because there is a lot of friction going around in this business. But I think you guys have the energy. You have the youth, the spirit to deal with it, and you guys are doing it great in style. So congratulations to you, to the crew, to the team, and we'll be there to support. Guess what? I have my VIP tickets already for tomorrow night. I will be there to support. And man,
it's going to be crazy. It's going to be epic.
Yes,
I just want to tell all the listeners, I once had a dream, and right now I'm living it, right? I want it, so sky is the limit to everybody. Never have nobody tell you that you can't do it. Believe in yourself, and everything will come, and everything will be going your way. See what I'm saying? So other than that, that's it, man. Just look out for tomorrow. Sweet Pain ready, everybody ready. It's going to be crazy.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it. So put Little June on the phone. I need Little June to give me again the phone numbers and the details for tomorrow night.
Little June on the phone. Here goes Little June.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Labuga, take care.
Thank you, Namada. Thank you, Niabu. Ayo.
Yes.
Little June, please give us that phone number, brother. I have people right now on social media asking me for the phone number one more time. Let me put the phone number on my Facebook page. Go ahead. I'm ready to copy.
Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. 323 495 34 70. Yes.
Okay, this is the phone number to get tickets, ladies and gentlemen, to get tickets for the 31st of December. And this is for the big dance featuring Sweet Pain Band, Little June, Biggs the CEO, Consigo, and Punta Mania at Mi Palazzo Hall, ladies and gentlemen, tomorrow night. What time shall we expect people for them to open the doors for the hall? Little June, well, Little June has abandoned us, ladies and gentlemen, but don't worry, we still got it going. Ladies and gentlemen, don't forget, this is Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga, and we're live from the studios in Long Beach. Que motia. Thank you, Little June. Butuguño, ayo. Aha. Que motia. Aha.
Sweet Pain, baby. Balance, what you want? Mr. Omi, let's go. Oh, I built a house today. Ha ha.
That was Little June.
And where we go? The gal them nice, and the treat we right. Yes, we right. When we get down PG, hey, the gal them welcome we. The gal them dance up and wind up to the sweet ladies. Hey, hey, coolie, gal them fine. Indian gal them nice. Creole gal them sweet. Girl from a gal them just unique. I tell you we are touring so much. You ready? Listen. 1, 2, 3. The gal them nice, and the treat we right. And where we go? The gal them nice, and the treat we right. Treat we right. How your gal they treat me right, they make me feel very nice. These gal they treat me fine, I feel like expensive wine. Sit down on it, wine on it, shake on it, and move on it. Sit down on it, wine on it, shake on it, and move on it. Wine for your thing, move for your thing, move for your thing, now mash it up. Wine for your thing, move for your thing, wine for your thing, now mash it up. The gal them nice, and the treat we right. And where we go? The gal them nice, and the treat we right. Listen, listen. Anywhere we go in our this country, the gal they treat me so good. They treat us so nice, they treat you with love. That's the way it goes. Aquí me vengo a divertir con las mujeres de Colosal y nunca olvidaré las mujeres de Orange Walk. The gal them nice, and they treat me right. And where we go? The gal them nice.
I ride upon Albert Street. I tell them make it jump at the seat. I'm beyond me
Montavelli album. ¿Qué motea?
Ride upon Albert Street. I tell them make it jump at the seat. Come beyond me friend, them want turn it up tonight. Go to market, buy up ingredients. Cow we soup up all of the bed. Me and me friend, them want soup up tonight. We are do the go-go. We are stew up the okra, y'all. We are stew up the okra. Me and my friend them want stew it up tonight. Stew up the okra. Ay, we are stew up the okra. We are stew up the okra. Oh, da 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 da. Oh no, oh night, oh night, oh night. And then how it is, how it nice. We are eat the coconut rice. I tell you how this soup is so nice. How it is, how it nice. We are eat up tonight with coconut rice. How it nice, how it nice. We are bubbly up, bro. Ay, we are struck the up, bro. We are bubbly up, bro. Me and my friend them want soup up tonight. Bubbly up, bro. Ay, we are struck the up, bro. Ay, we are bubbly up, bro. I ride upon Albert Street. I tell them make it jump at the seat. Me and my friend them we are party out tonight. We ride upon Albert Street. I tell them we jump at the seat. Come me and my friend them want turn it up tonight. Go to market, buy up ingredients. Cow we soup up all of the bed. Me and my friend them want soup up tonight. We are do the okra. We are stew up the okra, y'all. We are stew up the okra. Me and my friend them want stew it up tonight. Stew up the okra. Ay, we are stew up the okra. We are stew up the okra. Oh, da 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 da. No, oh night, oh night, oh night. And then how it is, how it nice. We are eat up the okra.
No, 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 no.
good night to 2015. This is the last show of 2015, ladies and gentlemen. Quemo ya. Chico Ramos, Babylon Salera. amigo Biggs the CEO. ¡Qué mundial! Jafu presentó Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ La Buga. Es un programa semanal de 7 de la noche a 9 de la noche todos los miércoles a través de www.radiocentroamerica.com en Los Ángeles y www.lmbroots.com radio en Nueva York. Tune in next Wednesday again for Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ La Buga. We're live and direct through www.radiocentroamerica.com and lmbroots.com radio in New York. Wednesdays from 7 to 9.